Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that affects many of us at some point in our lives: acne. This common skin condition can be frustrating and impact our confidence, but did you know that diet may play a role in the development of acne? In this video, we're going to explore the link between diet and acne, and what you can do to manage and reduce your symptoms. Let's get started. Acne is a skin condition that affects individuals of all ages and skin types. It often appears as pimples, whiteheads, and blackheads and can be caused by a variety of factors, including hormones, genetics, and bacteria. While it's often associated with puberty, acne can persist into adulthood and be a source of frustration for many people. Recent research has shown that there may be a link between diet and the development of acne. Inflammatory foods, such as those high in refined carbohydrates, added sugars, and processed foods, can trigger inflammation in the body and lead to acne breakouts. These foods can cause hormonal imbalances that increase sebum production, clog pores, and result in the formation of pimples, whiteheads, and blackheads. If you're struggling with acne, it may be helpful to limit your intake of inflammatory foods and opt for a diet focused on whole, unprocessed foods. Another food group that has been linked to the development of acne is dairy. Dairy products, such as milk, cheese, and ice cream, contain hormones and bioactive molecules that can promote inflammation and clogged pores. Some studies have also shown that consuming dairy products can increase insulin-like growth factor 1 IGF-1 levels, leading to hormonal imbalances that can trigger acne breakouts. If you have acne-prone skin, it may be helpful to limit or eliminate dairy from your diet, and opt for dairy alternatives, such as soy or almond milk. So what should you eat if you want to reduce your risk of acne breakouts? A healthy, acne-friendly diet should focus on whole, unprocessed foods and be low in inflammatory foods. Some foods that can help improve skin health include fresh fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and fermented foods. On the other hand, you should avoid dairy products, processed foods and snacks, and refined carbohydrates. By following an acne-friendly diet, you can reduce inflammation, improve skin health, and prevent new breakouts. In addition to diet, there are other lifestyle changes you can make to manage and reduce your acne symptoms. Reducing stress, getting enough sleep, and avoiding the use of oily and pore-clogging skincare products can all help improve skin health. If you're still struggling with acne, topical treatments such as retinoids and benzoyl peroxide may be helpful. That's it for today's video on the link between diet and acne. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Until next time, take care of your skin and yourself.